In this video, I'll be showing you how to add PayPal to Apple Wallet. First, it's important to know that you cannot add your PayPal account directly to Apple Wallet for physical payments. Instead, you'll need to add a PayPal debit card, which you can create inside the PayPal app. Start by opening the PayPal app on your iPhone and signing in. Tap on your PayPal balance, and you should see your PayPal debit card listed there. Tap on the card. Now, select Add to Wallet, then tap Add to Apple Wallet. This will automatically open the Apple Wallet app. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to verify and add your PayPal debit card. Once completed, your card will be available in Apple Wallet and ready for in-store contactless payments using Apple Pay. Also, keep in mind that you can link your PayPal account to your Apple ID for online purchases, such as buying apps, music, movies, or subscriptions from the App Store. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.